The hidden code of the universe. Did ancient civilizations discover it first? Introduction. The cosmic puzzle. Throughout history, we've dismissed ancient civilizations as primitive tools, primitive minds, primitive beliefs. But what if we've misunderstood them entirely? What if their myths encode truths about the cosmos, their monuments are cosmic calculators, and their philosophies reflect insights into quantum mechanics and the structure of the universe? Prepare to dive into the depths of ancient knowledge that, if rediscovered, could rewrite our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Key sections: profound depth and complexity. The engineering marvels of the ancients, impossible precision. The Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built around 4,500 years ago during Egypt's 4th dynasty, stands as a testament to ancient engineering and architectural prowess. Constructed for Pharaoh Khufu, it remains one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Aligned within 0.05 degrees of true north, a feat modern engineers struggle to replicate. Its base forms a near-perfect square with less than 1-inch deviation across 13 acres. The pyramid's dimensions encode pi, the golden ratio, and even the speed of light when converted to certain units. Speculation. What if the pyramid wasn't just a tomb but a multi-dimensional energy hub, amplifying electromagnetic fields through its internal chambers? Could this explain the pyramid power theories of energy transmission? Additionally, could this energy have been harnessed for purposes akin to zero-point energy, similar to concepts explored by Nikola Tesla? Science-based answer. Recent studies suggest the pyramid's geometry focuses electromagnetic energy in its chambers. Its materials, limestone and granite, might resonate with Earth's telluric currents, amplifying natural energy fields. Some researchers speculate that these properties could align with modern theories of resonance, indicating a potential method for non-invasive energy transfer or communication across vast distances. Did the ancient Egyptians inherit their knowledge from a forgotten civilization? Could the Great Pyramid hold the secrets to energy or cosmic harmony? Baalbek's trilithon stones, the megalithic marvel of ancient Lebanon. The trilithon refers to 3 massive limestone blocks that form part of the foundation of the Temple of Jupiter in Baalbek, Lebanon. These stones, among the largest used in human construction, have captivated researchers and visitors alike for centuries. Each trilithon stone measures approximately 19.6 meters, 64 feet, in length, 4.3 meters, 14 feet, in height, and 3.6 meters, 12 feet, in width. The stones weigh an estimated 800 to 1,000 tons each. Stones weighing over 800 tons were transported and placed with precision. Modern cranes would strain to lift these blocks, yet they rest on foundations dated to the Neolithic period. Speculation. Could the ancients have manipulated gravity or harnessed vibrational energy to achieve what seems impossible? Science-based answer. If these structures interact with geomagnetic hotspots, they could be part of an energy-focused network spanning ancient sites. Global connections. Many ancient sites, like the Great Pyramid, Stonehenge, and Machu Picchu, align with geomagnetic hotspots or ley lines. These alignments suggest the possibility of a global energy network. Could these locations have been intentionally chosen to amplify natural energies or connect civilizations? Deep connection. These engineering feats hint at an understanding of physics and material science that exceeds modern frameworks. Could they reflect knowledge of unseen forces, quantum fields, resonance, or even space-time manipulation? Astronomy. The ancient cosmic blueprint. The Antikythera mechanism, the ancient analog computer. The Antikythera mechanism is an extraordinary ancient Greek device, often called the world's first analog computer. Discovered in 1901 in a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera, this intricate mechanism has fascinated scientists and historians for over a century. Dating back to 150 BCE, it models the positions of the Sun, Moon, and planets with a complexity not seen again until the 14th century. Its intricate gears reflect an advanced understanding of celestial mechanics, eclipses, and even the elliptical paths of planets. Speculation: was this just one surviving piece of a larger tradition of advanced astronomical devices? Could ancient Greeks have mapped the cosmos with greater precision than we recognize? Sirius B, the white dwarf star, and the Dogon tribe, an intriguing connection. The Dogon tribe, an indigenous group in Mali, West Africa, has a detailed oral tradition and cosmology that includes remarkable knowledge about the Sirius star system. Their myths and astronomical lore contain references that align with modern discoveries. What did the Dogon know? Sirius B's existence. The Dogon describe a companion star to Sirius, which they call Potolo. They say it is extremely small, heavy, and invisible to the naked eye, descriptions that match modern understanding of Sirius B orbital period. They claim Potolo orbits Sirius A with a 50-year cycle. Modern science confirms that Sirius B orbits Sirius approximately every 50.1 years. Additional stars. The Dogon also describe a third star in the Sirius system, which they call MER. While modern astronomers have not confirmed the existence of Sirius C, some speculate it could be a faint red dwarf or other companion. Sirius B is about 10,000 times fainter than Sirius A. The white dwarf's feeble light makes it a challenge to study, because its light is swamped in the glare of its brighter companion as seen from telescopes on Earth. This African tribe knew about Sirius B, a white dwarf star invisible to the naked eye, long before telescopes. Their oral traditions also mention Sirius C, which some astronomers speculate might exist. Speculation: how could they know this? Could the Dogon's knowledge be a glimpse into humanity's forgotten past or evidence of contact with otherworldly intelligences? How much of ancient wisdom remains buried in myth, waiting for modern science to catch up? Could their astronomical knowledge tie into global patterns observed in other ancient cultures, such as the precise stellar alignments of Egyptian and Mayan temples? Science-based answer: this knowledge could result from preserved oral traditions linked to advanced pre-modern observations. Alternatively, it might be an example of extraordinary coincidence that invites further exploration. Researchers have also proposed that the Dogon's focus on Sirius aligns with a broader ancient fascination with bright stars and celestial cycles, potentially suggesting a shared cultural or scientific tradition across distant societies. Deep connection. The consistency of astronomical alignments across ancient cultures suggests a unified understanding of the cosmos. Could this reflect a universal language encoded in the stars? Energy manipulation, a forgotten science? Pyramid electromagnetism. A 2018 study found that the Great Pyramid concentrates electromagnetic energy in its chambers and base. Researchers have noted the parallels between this phenomenon and modern acoustic studies, where resonance can amplify waves in specific environments. Could the pyramid structure have been intentionally designed to create such resonance effects, potentially interacting with Earth's electromagnetic fields to generate or transmit energy? Science-based answer: the pyramid's design could amplify Earth's natural electromagnetic waves. This principle parallels Tesla's wireless energy theories and modern explorations of resonance in both energy transfer and acoustic systems. Acoustic resonance in temples, ancient sound technology. The phenomenon of acoustic resonance. Acoustic resonance refers to the amplification of sound waves within a specific environment due to its geometry, materials, and design. Ancient temples and structures worldwide demonstrate sophisticated acoustic properties, suggesting that their builders intentionally harnessed sound for spiritual, psychological, or even practical purposes. Sites like Malta's Hypogeum exhibit acoustic effects that amplify specific frequencies, aligning with healing or altered states of consciousness. Speculation. Could sound waves have been used to manipulate matter, heal, or even interact with higher dimensions? Deep connection. Modern physics explores how vibrations and frequencies shape matter. Could ancient civilizations have mastered these principles, integrating them into architecture and rituals? Did ancient civilizations understand the healing and spiritual power of sound in ways we are only beginning to rediscover? Could these temples be evidence of a lost science of resonance and vibration? Mathematics, the language of the cosmos. Sacred geometry, the blueprint of the universe. What is sacred geometry? Sacred geometry refers to the use of geometric shapes and proportions found in nature, art, and architecture, believed to reflect the fundamental design of the universe. Ancient civilizations used these forms to symbolize the interconnectedness of life and the cosmos, embedding them in their structures, spiritual practices, and cosmology. The flower of life, seen in Egypt, India, and other ancient cultures, encodes mathematical relationships fundamental to nature, including phi and the Fibonacci sequence. Speculation. Was sacred geometry a tool for understanding the fabric of the universe, a precursor to modern theories of spacetime and quantum fields? Pi and the golden ratio, the universal constants of harmony. Pi is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, approximately equal to 3.14159. Significance. Pi is an irrational number, meaning it cannot be expressed as a simple fraction, and its decimal expansion continues infinitely without repeating. Where it appears, circles and curves in geometry, waveforms in physics and engineering. The structure of the cosmos, from planetary orbits to the distribution of galaxies. The golden ratio. Definition. The golden ratio is a mathematical constant, approximately equal to 1.61803398887. Significance. Like pi, the golden ratio is irrational and ubiquitous in nature, art, and architecture. Where it appears, spirals, such as shells and galaxies, growth patterns in plants, human anatomy and art. Repeatedly found in ancient architecture and art, suggesting these constants were seen as keys to universal harmony. Science-based answer. These mathematical constants reflect self-similarity in nature, from spiral galaxies to DNA structures. Deep connection. Mathematics may not have been a tool for the ancients but a language to decode the universe. Could their mathematical systems hint at truths we're only beginning to grasp? Why do these constants appear so universally in nature and human creations? Are pi and the golden ratio the language of the universe itself? Myths and their scientific parallels. Flood myths are among the most pervasive stories in human history, found across nearly every ancient culture. These tales often describe catastrophic deluges that wiped out civilizations, with survivors tasked with rebuilding humanity. Atlantis as a metaphor for catastrophe. Plato's Atlantis mirrors the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis, a period when comet impacts likely caused global flooding and mass extinctions. Speculation. Could Atlantis represent an advanced pre-Ice Age civilization wiped out by cataclysm? Flood myths and ancient maps, echoes of a lost world. Nearly every culture has flood stories. Scientific evidence for flood events. While the myths are often interpreted as allegorical, they may preserve memories of real catastrophic events. Black Sea Deluge hypothesis. Around 7,600 years ago, the rising Mediterranean Sea breached the Bosporus Strait, flooding the Black Sea basin and possibly inspiring flood legends in the surrounding regions. Glacial melt at the end of the last ice age. Melting ice sheets caused rapid sea level rises, submerging vast coastal areas and forcing human migrations. Some ancient maps, like the Piri Reis map, depict Antarctica without ice. Piri Reis map, 1513. This map, created by an Ottoman admiral, shows the coastlines of South America and Antarctica with surprising accuracy. The Antarctic coastline is depicted ice-free, suggesting knowledge of the region before it became ice-covered around 6,000 years ago. Could these maps preserve knowledge from an advanced pre-Ice Age civilization that mapped the globe? Did ancient sailors have access to now-lost sources of geographical data? Could this reflect a time before the last glacial period? Science-based answer. These myths may encode collective memories of global events, preserving knowledge through storytelling. Could flood myths and ancient maps be the remnants of a forgotten chapter in human history? What other knowledge from this lost era might still be hidden in myths, maps, or unexplored archaeological sites? Deep connection. Myths may encode scientific knowledge, cosmology, geology, and cycles of destruction, designed to preserve insights across generations. The cyclical nature of knowledge, a forgotten paradigm? What is the cyclical nature of knowledge? The cyclical nature of knowledge suggests that human civilizations do not progress linearly, but rather rise and fall in waves, with knowledge being gained, lost, and rediscovered over time. This idea challenges the common narrative of unbroken progress and opens the possibility that ancient civilizations may have reached peaks of understanding comparable to, or even exceeding our own. Speculation. Modern science views progress as linear, but ancient traditions often describe cyclical ages of enlightenment and decline, e.g., the Yugas in Hinduism. Question. What if humanity's greatest breakthroughs are rediscoveries of knowledge lost in previous cycles? The collapse of an advanced civilization wouldn't erase its insights entirely? Fragments, encoded in myths, monuments, and symbols, might survive, waiting for rediscovery. Why is knowledge lost? Natural disasters. Cataclysms like floods, earthquakes, and meteor impacts can erase entire civilizations. Conflict and conquest. Invading forces often destroy cultural artifacts, libraries, and knowledge systems. Example, the burning of the Library of Alexandria likely erased countless ancient insights. Generational forgetting. Without preservation or transmission, knowledge can be lost within a few generations. Shifts in paradigm. New ideologies or religions sometimes suppress or replace existing knowledge systems. Are we rediscovering ancient truths or creating something entirely new? What knowledge could still lie hidden, waiting to change our understanding of the universe? As we explore the astounding feats of ancient civilizations, we uncover more than just artifacts and ruins. We reveal a profound connection to the universe itself. From engineering marvels like the Great Pyramid to the mysteries encoded in ancient maps and myths, these stories challenge our understanding of human history and our potential for greatness. What if the past holds the key to the future? What if the secrets of the ancients are waiting for us to rediscover and apply in ways we have yet to imagine? Join us in part 2 as we delve deeper into the science, speculation, and untold wonders of our shared history, and unlock the hidden code of the universe. Your support fuels our curiosity and drives us to dive even deeper into the secrets of the cosmos. Let us know your thoughts and theories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Stay curious, and see you in part 2. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through ancient mysteries and cutting-edge science. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update on our quest to uncover the hidden truths of the universe.